Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you through how you can create PowerPoint presentation. So we are going to open PowerPoint, go to new right there and then click on PowerPoint presentation, then open the folder and click there. So that's our first slide, and at the top left corner here, as you can see, this is our first slide. At the home tab, you can add on any of the slides you want. Slide 1, like according to the number you want. And the third thing you have to do, select the layout for your slide, whether you want it to content, comparison in form of a table or on a blank page. But I would prefer like this one. Okay. And the home tab, layout, title and content, and once you click on the layout, it will be applied to all the other slides. That's when if you do it at the first step before you start on adding on the working, the words and so on. So after that, let me put in the topic of my discussion to be parasitology, like that. And then I can come the first slide. You don't have to just rush. You have to be organized. Let the first slide be like what you're going to discuss about, and let's say the introduction, the course outline. So right there, I'll say introduction, and the next can be species. Just organize it like what will you be talking of after the introduction, what next, and let's say clinical manifestation. So that's your first slide. After you're done with that, you can go to the next slide and start on with what comes first in your course outline. Let's say introduction, then you just click on the introduction. These slides, as you see, they have no slide. They have no slide numbers. So let's go to the insert tab and right there, click on it and select the slide number, the footer, apply to all slides. So now we have slide numbers. This is for purpose of being rather organized. So after this first slide, you can also organize the rest of the working in the other slides. This is the introduction, clinical manifestations. So in case you want to carry out a change in any of the slides, let's say you have like 10 slides, you can go right to the view tab and use the slide master to do that. Then going from slide to slide, it's rather time saving. So click on the view tab. Click on the view tab and it brings you many options right there. So you're going to click on the slide master, scroll up, and the very first that large slide, that is the slide master, so you select it. So you can start on carrying out any changes you want on the slide master, and they will be applied to the rest of the slides. So let's try that out. Let's say I want to change the font, let's say the layout of my slide. There are many colors here, so you can choose any. I think I would prefer blue. But let's go to the themes. Then you can choose any of the default designs here and there. You find that it applies to all. So let's undo that and try it with the other slides, not the slide master, and see if the change will come up. Apply the default designs, okay, there. You find that it doesn't apply to all. So once you want to make your correction, just use the slide master. Okay, redo that. There you go. So the next thing right here, let's click on that. You have the fonts. You can choose any for your letters, any that you find attractive and rather will be pleasing to your audience. So as you carry out these designs, let's say the layout of the slide, you must be considering your audience. Like, whom are you presenting to? Students, your lecturer, your boss. So you must be considerate. Will they like it, or will you rather make that presentation boring? Because there are some colors that might not be nice, so you have to be considerate while choosing. Okay. And once you're done with that, you can just close master view, and as you see, your changes have been applied to all of the slides. So let's go back to the home tab. Select the first slide, home tab. Okay. So for the other changes, let's say transition animations, before you can carry out your slideshow, you can still go back to slide master, click on the view tab, slide master, and then go right to transitions. You can choose any, whether fade or you want the slides to push. I think I'll prefer that one. Also here, choose the one that will not disorganize your audience. Let's say split, random. So you be considerate while choosing. I'll just select that one. Same for the animations. You can do the same. You select, and then you can choose anywhere that you want the text to just fly in. Let's say split. So that's how my text will be appearing. And then you can also, let's go back to the home tab. Okay. So once you're done with all that and your content, with how you have created your presentation, you can just go here, slide master, close slide, and you're back here. Then you can go to slideshow and choose whether you want it from the current slide or from the beginning slide. And there, that's our first slide. And as you keep on clicking, the words keep appearing. So that's how I made mine. You just have to click the words to appear. Okay? And once you're done, you can just right click and say you want to end show, and here you are. So you can, after you're done, you can just save your working, and that is all how you can create a PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Please stay tuned to my channel, share the video, invite friends. Thank you. See you next time.